should be drunk, but I know I'm feeling drunk with you. Never ever been high in my life, but I know I'm feeling high with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So anyways guys, today I'm so excited because I'm gonna be pranking Bay. So anyways, today we're supposed to shoot a never have I ever video. So I just decided to put up a twist, just twist it up. Anyways, as you can see, the cameras right there, so we're getting ready. Bay's outside. He went to the car to take some stuff that we're supposed to use. So I'm gonna be doing a farting prank. So this is how I'm gonna do it, guys. So as we're taking the video, I'm just gonna be distracting him. So what I did, I downloaded this app. Such a cool app, guys. it's called Tap and Fart. I don't know if you can see it. It's called Tap and Fart. Yeah. This is so funny, guys. Like, I can't even hold myself anymore. I hope it's not gonna see this. Yeah, so they have like a lot of options here. So I've just decided to use like the quick fart. OMG. There's another one. It's like an airy fart. Yo guys, this is killing me already. I hope I'm not gonna blow this up for myself because this is just so funny. So anyways, I'm just gonna say that I'm not feeling so well today. I mean, I just want to see how he's gonna react. Let's do this. Let me just finish off my makeup because I think it's gonna come back now. I'm gonna blow this up for myself.
Few moments later.
Makeup video.
For them, so makeup.
Yeah, like it'll be nice, like doing a makeup tutorial.
You wanna start?
Hi.
I'll support you though.
No. Like everybody's doing it, hey? Yeah, it was us. The popcorn is this to shame.
We are trying.
Do what go now. Yeah.
Do you have the questions ready?
Yeah. I have them. Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. So today we're happy as always. Yes, before we say anything, why are you closing your ears?
You're loud.
I'm just happy though.
No, it's a good thing, baby. I love it when you're happy. Yes, let's go on.
Okay, yes. So before we could start with anything, I just want to say, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to
hit the post notification bell.
Yes,
tell us what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and
share, guys. Share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on Instagram. You can also share on TikTok. Yes. So yeah, today we're gonna be playing a game called Never Have I Ever.
It's been a while that we wanted to shoot this video, but
and like a lot of you guys did suggest that we should do a Never Have I Ever.
So finally here it is.
Get it.
Okay, so guys, without any further ado, Bay is gonna read the questions and then
so I'm gonna be reading the questions. So first question is, so never have I ever tried to guess the neighbor's Wi-Fi password.
I have.
I also have, guys. I don't know, a couple of times. Not even a neighbor. Even like for someone sitting right next to me. Like, I've tried. Next question is, never have I ever dated two people at once. Yeah, do you want to answer that?
Let's do that again.
Okay. I'm gonna read that question again. Never have I ever dated two people at once.
Never have you ever dated two people at once.
Have you?
Dated two people at once?
Yeah.
Yes, I have.
You have. I hope it wasn't with me. I hope it was like a
No.
way back.
No, don't worry. It was not with you, but I had. That was way back. I think I was in primary, guys. I don't even remember, but I remember I tackled two people at once.
So
That was the most difficult thing to do,
So-
guys. It's the most like, yo.
like you don't even know how people do it.
I don't even know exactly. I don't know how people do it, cause yo, you know, juggling two people. One has to get the most attention. That's for sure.
That's for sure. So I'd see it probably if you do it.
Yeah,
I'd
if
definitely
I
see
do it, most definitely you'd see. Which then now that the attention is divided. But yeah, but that you don't have to worry about that. That was a
Okay,
long
I
time ago.
haven't, guys. I haven't dated two people at once. That's just difficult. Like I don't even know how people do it. But anyways,
You haven't.
no, I haven't.
Oh,
I
such a
haven't.
saint.
I'm not a saint, but I haven't.
Okay.
Next question is
Next question,
this
baby.
one is interesting. Never have I ever lied about the taste of what you cooked.
The taste of what I could. You okay?
I'm good. I think I'm having an upset tummy.
Yo. Can we do that again though?
Yeah, sure.
Ask that again.
Never have I ever lied about the taste of what you cooked.
Never have you ever lied about
Truth.
I have not.
Why are you lying? No, tell me. This I want to know. OMG.
I have not.
Please.
No, I mean you're a great cook.
And I know I have my bad days. I mean, everybody does.
But you know, baby, I'm always honest with you. If something is not nice, I'd tell you. Like I
But
did
have
the
you
other day.
lied about
No,
it?
I don't think I've lied. I don't think I lied. I don't think I lied because I tell you every time. Good to know, baby. Yo, at this time, you missed it.
Okay. I don't know. You don't really cook, so I can't really say.
But I do. You remember you came to Cape Town this other one time and I used to cook for you. Plus, I'm okay now. I don't think we do count eggs.
You can cook eggs. I mean,
Okay, we don't have to count eggs as cooking. But yeah,
yeah, I guess.
mhm.
I wouldn't. Okay, I don't know, guys. Maybe in the future I'd lie about it. I don't know, but we don't know. Right now, we don't know.
Oh, okay.
You should surprise me, babe, and just cook a whole full meal for me. What do you think?
I'll think about it. Think about it.
So next question is, wait. This is interesting. Never have I ever made an embarrassing video that I now regret. Do you have an embarrassing video that you regret?
No.
You don't have. I think I have, and you know this video. It's sweet architect. What?
Okay. Can you ask that question again, yo?
Let me go to the bathroom. Let me just get back to the bathroom.
Are you
Back.
okay?
Yeah, I'm just not feeling so well.
Did you eat something?
I don't know what I ate.
Wow. Baby, are you good?
My stomach is upset. I don't know what's up.
Do you need something? Should I buy you Coke?
Yeah, we're fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, good.
It's weird because it's not smelling.
I don't know, babe. I think this one the lamini.
I was expecting like a bomb or something.
I don't know. I should tell you. To mango to daramuya. Okay, babe. Let's continue.
You're good now.
Yeah, I think I feel much better.
You need to cut that part, no?
Yeah, sure.
And you edit.
Oh.
Okay.
So,
Next question.
next question. Never have I peed in the shower.
I mean, duh.
You guys,
That's obvious.
I'm embarrassed.
I don't think there's anyone
But
that
I
has
have.
never done that before. Like in the pool, in the shower.
You've been in the pool.
I think I haven't done that in the bathtub though. That's the only place I think I haven't done it because just imagine.
So the
You're
shower
rinsing-
is
Rinsing yourself with your own pee. That's just disgusting. I don't think
yeah,
I
it
would.
is disgusting.
I think the shower is quite better because like, you know, you pee and then it goes.
Yeah.
And then with the pool, it's like,
I mean,
I mean,
who cares?
you you look at the volume of water, you be like, this
Yeah,
is nothing. This
yeah.
is nothing compared to what I'm gonna release. That's
Baby,
crazy.
it's so bad.
That's crazy. I think everybody has actually done this.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably.
Next question is, never have I ever cried in public. So you've cried in public.
I'm actually thinking about it. My mom told me that I did.
Okay, then you probably
Like I was lost.
Oh, shame.
I was lost. I was a kid and I
Shame.
cried.
I think I've cried like so many times, I guess. In public.
When you were a kid.
Yeah. I was a crier. I think I still am.
Interesting. Yeah, I did.
I'm sorry, babe. I'm gonna move on, right?
Can you? Okay, yeah, we're done with that question, right?
Mm.
Just make sure that when you edit, you cut all this things, right?
Yeah,
Please, baby.
I will.
Okay.
I will.
Okay, next question.
The next question is, never have I ever fought in the street.
Out in the street.
Fight.
Oh, out in the street. I was like,
Like, I have, guys. I know it's like so weird, but yeah.
street fighting.
Street fighting. It was deep,
Yo,
guys.
guys, I did that like several times. I think it came to a point where I actually fought with all my friends.
Wow. Then
I fought with my friends, like all of them, literally, except of maybe 5. But most of my friends, I fought with them. And the weird thing is, I was the steering. Like everybody in my hood, like
that's the ring.
yeah, everybody, like everybody from where I stay now, they were like, yo, yeah. They used to respect me. Yeah, they used to respect me so much. But yo guys, yeah, it is what it is.
It is what
Next
it is.
question. I think this question is just like we can go the whole day talking about
Yeah,
this.
we can go about it. Next question is, okay, never have I ever deleted a chat conversation so you wouldn't see it.
I haven't.
You haven't?
I haven't.
A chat on your WhatsApp.
Chat on my WhatsApp.
It might not be a chat with someone else. Not a text you've sent me, like a chat on your WhatsApp.
Oh, I actually have. I have.
You.
I actually have. I did.
I have as well.
That you didn't want me to see.
That I didn't want you to see. But because I knew you'd be very mad if you knew that I texted back that person.
Wow.
Nothing deep though. No, I didn't text the person. The person texted me and I responded.
Well, the
Because I
person-
thought it would be rude not to respond. But you don't, like, I know if you'd seen that, you'd probably be so angry. You'd be like, so you're talking to this person. I'm sorry, babe. baby. I don't know what to make go baba.
This video, I don't know how you're gonna edit this. Like you're gonna do a lot of cropping and chopping and doing whatnot.
Sorry.
And you have to be listening to the sounds. I can't hear every fart that you're making.
I'm sorry.
It's actually really getting me mad. It's disgusting. Literally.
I can't control it.
You can control. At least say, baby, excuse me, I'm about to fart. There's nothing wrong with that. You can say, baby, excuse me, I'm about to fart. Please move away. Or stand up and run outside and go fart outside.
But baby, the
You can't be farting here like this. Yeah.
I'm sorry. But it's a prank.
Prank what?
I downloaded this app. I just wanted to see how you trade. I'm sorry. I'm reading this video for you. Like.
This is dip and fart. So you weren't farting for real?
No.
I kept wondering why this fart is not smelly. But I consoled myself because I was like, oh, pretty much the loud fart doesn't stink. That wet one, the wet one stinks, or the silent one.
So I downloaded this app. I just really wanted to annoy you. I just really wanted to get on your, I don't know. I just wanted to see how far it gets. Just that I can't hold myself anymore.
Babe, are you sure you want to do this prank thing? Because wow, okay. Game on. I was literally getting upset. Now I was literally getting upset.
I shouldn't have said it. Yeah, I couldn't hold myself anymore. This is so funny. Like this funniest fart sounds of like Let's continue. Okay. So last question is, never have I ever sent nude pictures of me. Guilty.
You're guilty.
You come back.
Have you?
No comment. No comment. Guys.
Yeah, I think that question is deep.
Ah!
Is there any other question?
You don't answer this.
Let's take another one.
Okay, fine. Another one. Never have I ever pretended not to be home when somebody rang the doorbell.
Yo, I have. I'm guilty.
I have. I'm sorry. I know Kid is gonna be angry, but I actually have pretended not to be around when Candice was knocking. This was way back. I don't remember what had happened, and I was just so tired. I just didn't want anybody there.
That's sick.
I know, right?
But I'm not
Don't be
gonna
so
mention
angry right
names.
now.
So.
Don't be angry, friend.
But I think everybody has. Like, you know,
They're just
when you're
those days, and you
just wanna be cooped up in your own space. You don't wanna be like
on your own, you know.
Yeah.
That me time. Everybody needs that. We all need that.
I like guests, but I feel like
Yeah, those days.
yeah.
You mean? I'm sure. I mean, it happens, and it's important to have your me
own
time.
Yeah.
So
Your
yeah.
own time.
Anyways, that is it for the day. Right?
Hope you guys enjoyed that video
Hope you guys
despite
enjoyed.
Bay trying to fart and
I
What a
nailed that one.
prank.
I nailed
I'm gonna
it.
give it to you because I'm coming back, and Tim Chira will be coming back with a banger. Tim
Dude,
Mateo, you
Shira is failing,
I'm
y'all.
not failing, but baby, I'm giving that to you. You really tried. You really tried.
I got you.
You just tried.
Only if I'd hold myself for longer, and then it was gonna be good. It was gonna be good.
Oop, with the battery.
Okay. So, anyways, guys, it was good.
Don't
This
forget,
is interesting.
Yes, this brings us to the end of this video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the post notification bell once done. And as for me and my queen, we out.